Welcome to 13 Eggleton Street, Blacktown, a fully renovated home on a generous block in a quiet North Blacktown street. Move-in ready, comfort with future development potential built into the land. Step inside and feel the difference. Bright, comfortable living spaces designed for everyday family life. 4 spacious bedrooms, 2 baths, each fresh, neutral, and ready to move in. A modern, newly renovated kitchen and updated bathroom with clean style finish. Smart and practical. Out the back, a large yard opens up the home for family, entertaining, or future improvement. Approximately 568 square meters of land in a pocket strongly aligned with future residential interests. Subject to council approval, the land may suit a future granny flat, duplex, semi-detached, or rebuild project. This is Ben from Blue Ribbon Real Estate. Inquire today.